I want to add a button to my spreadsheet so that when I click on it, it will automatically run the macro to sort the summary table. So to do this, first of all, I need to go up to the top here and choose my developer menu. If I haven't already done so, I'm going to have to turn the developer options on, see the little screencast on how to record a macro for information on how to do that. But anyway, over here you'll notice there is this thing that says insert. So if I click on the little drop down list, you'll see there are various controls I can put in here, and what I'm interested in is this one over here, this which says button. If I place my mouse over these and hover over them, you notice it gives me the options. But anyway, I'm interested in a button. I'm going to click on it and move my mouse down. You notice it's turned into a very small white black cross. Now with this, I can drag a button into my spreadsheet anywhere I want to put it. When I drag it in, it's going to give the button a name, and then it's going to say what I want it to do. Well, in my case, I've got one macro, which is this one here. So when this button is clicked, it's going to run sort summary. I'm happy with that. I'm going to click OK, and you'll notice my button has now appeared. If I click on this button, it's going to run that macro every time I press it. Now obviously this text on it's not so great. If I right click, I can edit the text and I can say sort summary, and my work here is done.